Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video of Gauge Select. These massive slabs are created using our proprietary material called texture mat. Based on ultra high performance concrete technology, texture mat is revolutionizing the landscape industry through its ability to create ultra thin and large slabs with an extremely durable surface. Gauge Select is a large format, natural cleft product with a gauged 1-inch thickness, easy to install pattern, and salt-proof surface. The laying pattern for Gauge Select consists of only 2 separate pieces. The large slab spans a massive 60 inches on its long side and covers 12.25 square feet, weighing only 155 pounds. The small slab spans 36 inches on its long side and covers 5.25 square feet. Each pallet contains 6 large slabs and 6 small slabs, totaling 105 square feet and weighing only 1,500 pounds. There are several helpful tools to bring with you during installation, including a landscape rake, shovels, levels, compaction device, diamond blade concrete saw, fabric, screed rails and bars, and a leveling device. Please also note, low profile edging can work with Gauge Select. For Gauge Select, we recommend using a minimum 4 inches of clean angular aggregate base compacted in layers. Of course, each site condition is different, so please refer to ASTM standards or a local engineer for your site. With the large nature of these slabs, we do recommend 1 inch of bedding sand on top of your compacted base. Once your sand has been screeded and is level, it's time to start setting Gauge Select. Each side of every piece contains a 1/4 inch lug with corresponding marking units. When installing, you will align each side's positive labeled lug with the adjacent negative labeled lug on the other piece. For example, the negative L on the small piece corresponds to the positive L on the large piece. We always recommend using multiple pallets for a more natural, blended aesthetic. Installing Gauge Select is very easy to do by hand. However, there are several vacuum tools on the market that can make lifting and moving the large slabs even easier. We do highly recommend using gloves as the bottom edges may be sharp. When cutting Gauge Select, it's recommended to score your cut first before cutting through. You will notice with no coarse aggregate in the product, the material cuts very easy with a diamond blade saw. Thank you for checking out Gauge Select. Please visit highformat.com for more information or contact your local sales representative.